It's not every day that we come to the same park twice in one day.
And it's really not every day that that park is Hollywood Studios.
He's right, it's very true. We normally would not come to Hollywood Studios twice in one day, but today is the 30th anniversary, and when we were here this morning, we didn't get our photo ops, and there's a new projection show, so we had to come back, check out the rest of the stuff. I'm glad we came back just for that. That was fun. I don't know, did the one with the both of us turn out? Let me know.
I don't even know what we're gonna do now.
I know, we've got a little ways. Our friends, we have friends that are here, but they're at a dinner reservation. And
Our friend Sam is on his way, so.
yeah, so it's also very windy this afternoon.
It is. Sort of feels nice though.
This right here is the closest thing this park has to an opening day attraction that's still standing. But sadly, we just missed the last show. And sad fact, still have never done that stunt spectacular.
We need to do it soon because it's gonna go under refurb.
I know.
And I don't know what's gonna change in it, but something is.
And you know, I grew up in the era of like this being a cool park that I never got to experience because I lived in the state of Washington. And I was so jealous that my friend went and he told me how cool that show was, and I still haven't seen it like 30 years later. Why? Since we're here, we're gonna go see if there's anything left of the 30th anniversary merchandise, because I ended up leaving the line this morning so I could stake out a good spot for the cavalcade.
There's not a giant line anymore, so we'll see.
We'll see. Maybe they still have stuff left. When we were here this morning, there was just crazy line throughout the Muppet queue and all the way back, like switchbacking over here. I guess we're gonna follow Jeremy in since he knows the way from this morning.
Me.
Okay, so they still have stuff. Oh, they still have quite a bit of stuff. They got the shirt, which I like this shirt better than the pass holder shirt anyway. $29.99. Oh, that is really cute. I like it. I wonder if it does something special on the touch points.
Probably does.
Nice.
Usually these limited edition
I
ones
don't
do.
think I saw these on the sheet even. Little tumblers, little Turvis thing. $26.99. Still have hats. A few of them anyway. They still have the pass holder shirts actually too. I like the regular shirt better than the pass holder shirt personally. And they've got plenty of bins, so it looks like they've got a pretty good stock if you're not here right away. I like this little ornament.
I think that's something that will end up at the outlet.
You're probably right, and then I'll buy it. And they still have, looks like at least some of the pins left over there. They have like that pin set and maybe not the pass holder one. So if you're coming soon, there's a chance you could still get some of the merch here. Oh, they've got Muppet Babies and they are so, oh my gosh.
They're open registers all the way down there. They're gonna have the same 30th anniversary pins if that's what you guys are waiting for.
These are so cute.
They're very cute.
I want Fozzie, he's adorable. Fozzie's not even my favorite, but he just looks so cute as a Muppet Baby plush.
So I think maybe they had the pass holder pin still. But apparently they ran out of the magic bins at 10:30, so I guess it's good that I was here early.
Yeah. But it is nice to know that they still do have quite a bit of merch if you know, you're coming on vacation here soon, and
Yeah,
you could still, there's a good chance you could still snag something.
Yeah.
I decided, since we're over in this part of town that we don't normally come to, that we'd come explore the area that's all almost closed off where Streets of America was. I like that there's still some apartments for rent over there. Those look like the kind of apartments we could afford, Jeremy.
What?
We could live here.
Oh yeah, they look fancy. So up here is where the Gone with the Wind Kermit and Piggy mural was that they just painted over with,
Aww,
which is kind of sad.
That is sad. We're having Vlogger Palooza in here in Baseline. Hey everybody! We got the Biteleys and Theme Park Kid and her family and Nick's Picks and Brian, Orlando Theme Park 360. And Jeremy, yes. Well, we walked out here a little bit late. We don't know if we're gonna have a great view of it, but that's okay, because I'm sure a lot of other people will. What'd you think of it?
I really liked it. I wasn't expecting there to be like fire and like fireworks coming out from behind. It was just amazing.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're gonna move the stage like every time. Is this like just like a 130th anniversary thing?
No, it's a new show.
It's a new show.
Yeah.
So are they gonna keep on moving the stage?
I think so.
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
That would make sense.
Yeah. The fireworks were cool though.
Did you like the Mickey Mouse at the end? Like,
Yeah, it was fun.
Is that your favorite animation? Like the new Mickey? With the pie
I love the new
eyes?
Mickey.
And he actually didn't have my eyes in it.
Oh, okay. I was just trying to give her something to say.
I just liked it.
All right. So it was a good one though.
It was.
All right.
Definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10.
Star Wars fireworks are still happening, but we're gonna take off. We've seen them. We just watched them last week.
We did, yeah.
And I gotta work tomorrow. So, thanks for coming along with us. I had such a fun night. We did not even vlog a majority of the night. Spent hanging out with friends. And it was a really fun day in general. So, thanks for coming along. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Happy birthday, Hollywood Studios. Happy birthday.